Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add info to your channels on Discord. So for instance, in this channel I'm just going to type in request music or music player, press save changes, and here in channel topic, so here just go to edit channel. In channel topic type in the commands. For instance, this is the command to play music, title of music, press save changes, and once you're done it's going to show up here so people can use bots to play music or stuff like that using this command, and by looking at just the information of the channel overall. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.